Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Redmi Buds 4 Pro. And before we starting, I wanna show you that I customize gestures. I leave just press and hold for the right earbud because I think that these gestures it's much better than what these headphones have by default. Now let's work with a press and hold. I should put both of headphones to my ears to enable these gestures, but I will show you the touch areas located right here. So you just press and hold or press. Now if I press and hold on my right earbud, I will swap between noise cancelling, transparency, or I will turn off this mode. So I'm just press and hold, and as you can see I enable noise cancelling. Now again, and I'm enable transparency mode. And the last one, I turn off it. If you press and hold on your left earbud, you will call your assistant. I have Siri, I have iOS, so I call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So I'm just press and hold on my left earbud, and as you can see, I just awake it. Now, if I press 2 times on my right earbud, I will play next track 1, 2. And I'm just play next track. If I press 2 times on my left earbud, I will play previous track 1, 2. Here we go. If I press 3 times on my right earbud, I will increase the volume 1, 2. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3. And I increase it, and again 1, 2, 3. Here we go. If I press 3 times on my left earbud, I will lower the volume 1, 2, 3. Here we go, and again 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Okay, now if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbud. So I'm just press 2 times and I answer the call. If I press 2 times right now, I will hold the call 1, 2. And as you can see, and to unhold it, just press 2 times 1, 2. Here we go. You can also finish the call by pressing 3 times on your right or left earbuds. 1, 2, 3. And I finish the call. And the last one, if someone called to you, you can reject the call by pressing 3 times on your left or right earbud. 1, 2, 3. And I reject the call. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.